Lady Danger, welcome to the Upnlive show. Yes. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for being here. It's been a long
time.
Long time coming.
Long time coming.
Nothing happens before it's time.
Good thing come to those who wait.
Aye, there we go. How have you been?
I've been blessed. I've been great.
Yes.
I've been good, bad, ugly.
In between.
All of the above.
Yes,
but most of all, I'm here and I'm
alive
blessed and I'm alive.
That's it. And we're very happy that you're here.
Thank you.
Alive, in the right mind, with the right people around you, doing what you love and with the people that you love.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
That's the most important thing, don't it?
Definitely.
Let's start it. We're in 2021.
Let's
recap.
Let's speak about the lockdown because a lot of us see a lot of things happening in the lockdown where some of it been good, some of it been positive, and some of it been
in between.
Yeah.
So talk to us about
how
was
the lockdown.
Lockdown happened. It affected a lot of people, but how was it for you and your family and
during the lockdown, it was quite hard for me because I was pregnant. So, it was a very the whole situation happened where it was so drastic and it was so scary because, after one point, hospitals are
Ram.
And it's like you can't be here with, your spouse or you have to be by yourself and then it started getting scary. They have to move you on this base. At one point, the pregnancy ward was where they were keeping all the COVID patients. And I was like, then when me I go have baby, I tried to do it at home, but it was like that procedure stopped a couple months back before the COVID situation.
Yes.
But and then obviously you had a lot of people messaging you, praying for you as well, and they were concerned. And I had my partner supporting me, like things are gonna be okay, but as we can see in Jesus' name, it was well, and Princess is fine, doing well.
Yes.
And it gave me more time to spend with my family because working, you're promoting, going out there doing shows and school run, work, everything. You're just so busy. You don't get the time out to really chill if you're not on a holiday. So during the lockdown, I bonded more with the kids and. After I had baby, 2 weeks after, that was my journey again, and I've never stopped till now. 2 weeks, my daughter was like, you're going to do this freestyle next week, and she'll get up.
And that's good.
Listen.
That's really, really good.
What I need to ask, someone like you have a full plate show lockdown, you give birth, then you was on the ground running.
Straight away, honestly.
It make a lot of other artists look like they are not working.
Can I be honest? So during my years of being an artist, a lot of times I take a break. Obviously, I have 3 children.
Right.
So when I take a break, I personally, I'm just gonna be as open as I can because we need to talk about these things. Me not really hear no artists go away, no. You see, every time Danger come back, you see everybody start run up and down. That's not even a joke. Yeah. After me forward, me see everybody start put back in the work. And I'm about my music. Like, if I take a break, it's because I feel like, my how I established myself was through dancehall.
Right.
So obviously I go out a lot, and sometimes you go out and you feel like, I don't feel like me get much support. So sometimes I just draw back. And then when I meet Obi now and we are do road and so I've always been doing music, but me never me have songs still a play, but me just say, what? It can't bother me enjoy my life because me do enough in a dancer night and day. And me not feel like sometimes me I feel upset with a selector because they can talk to you, they can flirt with you, but to get your songs, for example, a selector come off and say, John, me did forgot to play a tune, but him can still tell me I'm a front fat and me look good tonight. So it kind of play with your head. We all know so them not have to do it or whatever, but we're a small community and we're looking to support.
True.
So at one point, me just live love life and I mash up the gram and step out with Obi and them and say, Ratty, Danger, find Danger, flying new man and all these things. And we just go on with yourself. And that was still, part of the Lady Danger brand itself. And, so, after the baby, I'm going to come back. It's just been hectic, non-stop. I do love it. There's been a lot of drama. There's been a lot of fun. There's just, even though we're in the lockdown, it gives me so much time for even grow as an individual, grow as an artist, and everything's just different about me, and I love that, and also a lot of my music I share with my family.
Right.
Samara, everything.
Yeah. I mean, you have to get a piece.
But if I'm doing a little melody or whatever, my daughter say record that. No, because the thing is with musicians, you'll be driving and you get lyrics. And by the time you park up, you forget it. So sometimes we drive, she say, Mom, remember this right now, make sure you write it down. When I forget, she goes upset.
Right.
So let me just ask you, do you feel like your husband or your fiancé or your boyfriend, was your missing piece in life? Like, cause we always know that Lady Danger is always lyrical.
Yeah.
You always get do the thing, but some of the time before, we never seen enough of you.
Yes.
But do you think like Frenchie was that missing piece in your life?
I mean, I would say yes, because I think everybody deserve, obviously you're out there, you're doing your thing. But sometimes when you have somebody a ride with you,
yeah.
Sometimes you don't want more of a team, but when you don't get that real support there, you're just like, you do a thing. Because sometimes people, when they see you get a hype here, they're like, yeah, mommy, I do this here, and then it's dead. But when you have somebody riding with you, if I say, like, come 5 o'clock, listen, the struggles that we go through is mad. Frenchie will leave work now, and we finish here so 4, and him gonna work 5. Yeah. Sometimes I feel bad, me can't see, but the support is 100,000, because at the end of the day, if you don't really have somebody who have your backbone,
True.
It not really, because sometimes you need that support, because people will say anything.
True.
People are fake.
True.
The majority of them.
That's so true.
They will ride with you when them see something. If them see a new
Only
person come, them run, gone, left you. But when them see you stand up in your thing, then them will say, oh, yeah.
Only when it benefit them, them will stick up. So,
and I must ask you this, because we hear this story from about 4 or 5 different sides, but we never hear your side. So that feud with Vilicious, how did that start? How did that start, I should say?
I mean, me and V has been very close, because
Yeah.
people saw us out, people see us do our thing and everything, and it's an artist that I always give encouragement, because as I said, when I had my third daughter, that's like a whole brand new me. Like she brings something different to me. So my energy that I portray and progress to other artists is love.
Yeah.
One time he's a girl, me worry everybody.
Yeah,
Hey, you play my song, my cuss you. Everything, me miserable body. Yeah, me still miserable, but because that's my passion, and I feel like me don't want nobody ramp with my talent, So speaking to the females, me show them be love. Right. So out of most of the artists at that time, me speak to V a lot, and everyone knows that I do a Tag Tuesday where I embrace other artists all over the world. Yes. Me show love, because I decided, like, I know I'm good, I want to be better and I want to really get established, but at the same time there's so many other people who that need the support. And a lot of artists, when I used to do the Tag Tuesday, when they reach out to me, there's so much talent in the UK and around the world. So I always play a V, I always encourage her. Even if I say I go keep something first, she had the first one, I jump up and say. Right. And we do talk a lot. Right. So even, for example, when she did that song, the Monday I spoke to her and I said, remember, I want you to be the first artist on the Tuesday. And she was like, yeah, man, everything's good. And then on the Tuesday after the show finished, for some reason, Mikey just scrolled across. It was just mad. Yeah. And that was Vilicious over there doing the song. Yeah. We all know in a music, nobody really had no friend. And everybody want to take the title. And sometimes I think people go about it wrong. Because I think there can be many ways, how to deal with things to trick the people them as well. Right. So when obviously she done that, she was like, me know you got answer. I was just quiet, because we were in this girl group. But you see me, I never do groups. I don't talk. But because when I was on my show, I'm preaching like unity. Yeah. So one of the artists, she built like a group. From going to the group, I said, this is not my thing, because 3/4 of the females don't like me. A lot of them have called me name before. I'm not really respond. Right. But like I'm growing from that, which we already know, say, controversy, everything is good and bad in the music and itself. Yeah. So everyone was in the group, like whoever name were called, and they were like, oh, if them are going to follow it, if some not going to follow it, because then everybody, would defend them thing. And she personally messaged me, oh, so I know you got answer and whatever. And I was thinking, wow. So I just ignore her. Right. And she was like, I don't see you talking at the group of. I'm saying, no, everybody hypocrite, I'm not the group. Right. And from that, I was just silent, doing my own thing, same way. I felt a little way because I kind of spoke to her before. Like we chat a phone and we keep stuff, invite her or whatever. Right. And then, me not say not about my thing, but I say, all right, I do my thing. So obviously she dissed me upon her Tuesday and she was putting up on me, some people don't want to answer because everyone obviously told her, go at me because me will answer. Right. And I just, she dissed me upon a Tuesday, so I'm go up on my show, I'm just do my song back on a Tuesday. Right. And it's obvious that she had already planned for me because after I done mine, she was already over the next, platform doing another song about me. But personally, as I said, the only reason why I took it a little personal is because I knew her. Right. But at the same time, you know, I want tight down because we are clash and it not go really gonna away. Me like, I want clash Spice and Shenchi and them girls. I mean, I really want clash nobody when not gonna give me like a buzz or make people say, yeah, like I want recognition. I want.
But hold on. Would Spice and Shensi say the same thing? Say,
them would say me is a nobody.
Yeah,
because me is a nobody, but
it's
a motivation because they will still, yes.
At that point in the UK,
now, I never look at V as nobody because I did but my song. But I was just thinking the way how it was going.
You know, wanted somebody who would
the way how it was going when I did my song, they took it personal, and this was just a joke. I found it unbelievable that if you do your song and me Dubai cares maybe if my answer, but then it was going on other people's platform that I'm like a hater to other females, which is sad because when I did my platform for Tag Tuesdays, I never see people reach out to me and say I'm proud of what you're doing. People do, but they don't talk it as how they would talk about drama.
But the most important thing now is put that aside.
Yeah, that's past.
That's
like
past.
Me and V is cool now, innit?
We're moving on.
We
see the
cool
music
now.
dropping from both females.
Yes.
From both ladies, and the unity between you both
is good.
Is better than
it's
before.
better than before because I think we understand each other a bit more.
Bit better,
and I feel like if she always do a little thing, maybe we can trick the people and carry on.
And I mean, it helps to
it
grow.
Helps,
it
innit?
helps to grow you
Yeah.
both,
So
that's
I
really good.
think we're at a place now where we understand each other. Like I never had hate for her, anyways.
Yes.
And remember, as I said, this is music.
Yeah.
Anyone can come for you at any time.
And you have to
so
be
you
prepared.
can't like really like. The only thing I find with females, them take it too personal.
Okay.
Because when me do back my song and me shooting, and nobody can tell me how to shoot and when to shoot and what to say.
Yeah,
so when a person says somebody shoot and them never, no, me I come precise and me come for kill. So nobody not tell me how.
Full
you
stop.
understand? So that's the only thing.
All right.
Right.
One more thing I realize in the UK, there's talent abundant in the UK
Yeah.
in terms of the female side and the male
Males.
side. What is the missing factor why we can't really have some more artists outside of the UK we have international recognition? Can you explain that? Because
we've asked the question on several occasions.
Now,
we
can you
try to figure
repeat
it
that?
what is this main decider why we can't have a male or a female artist outside of Stylogy, like some international recognition outside of UK? Because me I try one dancer like the talent is here. We have everything that we need is here. Why we can't have it outside of UK or outside of London?
I feel, based on my experience and my choice, I feel marketing is a very big factor within artists. And, you know, it's just, for example, if you say this person bad, this bad, but where is it going? We're bad in a Peckham, we're bad in a Brixton. What are the steps we need to pass? And that's what I'm trying to challenge myself because I already know I'm good and, you know, there's room for improvement, but I need to know, you know, when time I turn on my phone or whatever, I'm seeing people from abroad everywhere.
Checking
you know, during the lockdown before my other page got hacked, it was growing because whenever someone shared like my freestyles, I was going on I do on everybody pages. Every freestyle that I did as a challenge actually got taken up and shared. And that was progressing for me where I'm meeting so many people who wanted to work with me outside of the UK. And I was like, yes, because people do know about me, but the songs are not as... You know, because every time I speak to someone and they're like, oh, well, somebody from the UK, the first person them say a danger. I'm like, oh my God, it's good that they know it. But, you know, the establishment are, I mean, I don't know, for me personally, I'm marketing. Because...
But what's the main factor about marketing? Is it the ways or the attitude of the UK dancehall artists make their unmarketable or non-desirable to market?
No, I wouldn't say non-desirable. I think labels, more PRs. You know, like
so we need more
people that are playing part. All right, if you, for example, go to Jamaica, you have a lot of different people that play a part in the music industry. We don't really have a lot of that. And sometimes you do get somebody who say, oh, me can't help you up on Spotify. People don't really want to help people. And we also know that money is also a big thing
that is
necessary.
What about the support factor in terms of supporting our own in our community?
What
about that?
I don't think that we do a lot because, for example, me have a lot of songs. Me is a song freak, right? And there's so many songs on Insta. But if Shenshia come out tomorrow with a new song, the same people who party with you next week would have zoom up themselves and click that. Even though you preach them when you're on a live, they enjoy the baddest thing. Why me can't wake up one morning and see that same love there from the people? And so it's a thing like this, yeah? people will always narrate you until them see you up there and whatever. Then everybody are your friend. Everybody. I saw a girl freestyling today, a young girl, about people that rather listen this song. I don't even know who she is, but remember me tell you, she on point and she correct. And I have grown where I said, it's in my music. It's my choice of what I want to do, so I wouldn't get upset with someone if they don't show me that love.
Right.
But remember, sometimes you feel some type of way.
Yeah,
because
you're
in a community where these people see you every day and they're telling you, I love how you're bad. And yet still you're on a stage and then put them in them pocket. Sing the song.
Yeah,
if the song good, share
something.
some love.
Yeah.
But this is one of my worst fear factor exiting lockdown. That the artists that was doing so well are the artists. The artists them were do well in a lockdown. Like after the lockdown, you seem to get shelf. Like the DJ them shelf you.
What it was before.
The DJ them shelf because I see the first part of Brandon them clash. Them use some on the song and everything good, but why can't you voice some of them song depend? Just like how you voice and you change rhythm, why can't you do it and put it on somebody nowadays juggling rhythm? If you go to your way to put on clash rhythm, support your own growing talents. That me I wonder why.
You know what? Can I say something? Yeah. Let me talk this loud and clear. I'm a female that gets so much fight. Sometimes I give up. If me never have the partner when I have and my kids them, honestly. Me don't know what me do because me think the same thing, but it's like when you as an artist talk it, them say you're bad minded. I'm so stressed out that me just keep pushing. Every time I want to give up and I go on the road and somebody say, you see the way you feel now because things are going for you. It stressed me out because I know what I love and what I want to do. And it's not hard. Like if I've been to other countries, and if you have young artists that are trying, they even give you that segment where they play every young artist in them juggling before they move on. At least you feel comfortable. People keep hearing your song. Because when you hear a song, sometimes the first time you say, foolishness that. But you see, after you hear 3 and 4 and 5 times, you keep singing it.
Yeah, because it sticks.
Exactly. So I feel like, DJs always say, nah, this, nah, that. I've been told, like, I'm not on the white line. Who go dance like me as outer artist thing?
You know, true?
No, me live a dance.
No.
So I'm not supposed to go and dance and I look on a selector for my song play. If you can't find my song, call me, make me touch the mic. I'm not there for friendship. I'm here to establish myself, to hear all my song play, to see what the people them like. And it's a joke. It's a joke. You tell that you go too much, then you tell you not go. Outer side, outer my one with you do.
Listen, my response to that. My
Mm.
response to that is, your support system, you know who you have around you, and you know who you are. You know what it is that you want. Don't make and I know it's easier said than done because emotions happen and your mind plays tricks on you. But don't make nobody deter you from what it is that you're destined to do, because it's your destiny.
Yeah, and I want to pick up everybody who give me this encouragement, because a lot of time I'm in my house and I'm down. You know, much time me do music till my brain's stressed. Sometimes I come and put on the book.
Yeah.
And people call me and then give me this encouragement, because a lot of time when people talk about me, most of the things sometimes are negative, and I don't know why, because me not mixing up, but when me take the mic, that's my space to be me.
That's your home.
And it's mad. And sometimes when people call and they're like, you know what, don't give up. I know it's because they heard a negative thing about me and they know that's not me.
Right.
And it's crazy, because I just feel like during lockdown, I said this on my live, I'm not take it back.
Yeah.
When the place woke me up, I'm tell the artist them. When the place woke me up, I'm sorry for no come here. So one dance keep already, and all of the artists not even one of them tune play. And the song during lockdown, the majority of songs play where you can. The party them nice.
Exactly.
A party make I come in my house and drink and laugh.
Right.
And it was good. You never remember nobody really at Jamaica. The songs were really good. I even me I say ratted some people sound wicked per record, them can't perform.
Right.
Fine. But
Play
the standard of music was crazy.
May have to commend the UK artists throughout the latter part of last year. We really see a big difference in terms of material. Like
And
the quality
execution.
was on par with the song them from Jamaica.
Yeah.
And the first time me in the UK where we can proud say that the song them was on par, the mixing, the mastering was on par. Me now get a garbage song to me email. It's very minute amount.
Yeah.
But I have to play devil's advocate now.
Yeah.
Because we give you a praise, we have to talk about the bad side of everything. What do you think you're lacking as an artist? Because I see and I know what you're lacking as an artist. Let me answer that question first, then I'll elaborate on it.
Well, me personally, in my opinion, feel like, how I establish myself could be a little bit better. I need a team that that would ride for me, because when you're doing 9 to 5 work, whatever is hard.
Yes.
But I feel like I'm lacking a team right now that are organizing shows for me, reaching out to
Setting
other
up
people from different
sessions,
places,
right.
doing
doing the marketing, doing the PR, doing all of that. So
Yes.
so since you've identified that, what are you doing now?
Yeah, at the moment
to
we
improve that?
At the moment we are looking for people who, because sometimes, to be honest, as I said earlier, and some people are serious,
Yeah.
and it do take money and everything.
Right.
But in England itself, how many people are put out, just like them would advertise to them as a selector, are put out to them I do marketing, them I do this.
Well,
you have to be out there
searching
searching and hunting.
Right.
You see me now, I would agree with you when I say in terms of the marketing side of things, and like management and people do certain things.
Yes.
That's one of your biggest downfall and majority of the UK artists. And some of the time you say you're looking for the right person, and we can tell you this for fact, you're not looking in the right places because you have some people around you.
That
Because
are
you never really sit down and have that conversation with you, because you have people in your space. We're constantly on the road. We're capable of getting your music to other places, capable of going out and talking to the relevant DJs and relevant
or
people
networking on
in
your
higher
behalf.
places in your behalf as an artist. And some of the time we take some of the people in for granted. And I could call her name like you and Sasha good, and I see Sasha is very talented on that side, because, for instance, Sasha, I would say a 90% a dancehall good in terms of selector artists and things
Everybody,
like that.
right across
You
the
need
board.
people like that.
No,
around
I
you
want to big up Sasha now.
to
Like, as I said, I'm working with a
market
team
your
right now.
brand.
I don't know if I want to talk about
But
the team, but I want to big up Sasha, because, as you can see, even the other day we interviewed Sasha, I said people say enough, but Sasha don't really get Sasha don't really get the. No, wait, no. It's a good thing, because the reason, you listen, if you want to in this, sometimes you have to,
job.
yes, at your job, for be every and anywhere and try to get yourself out there if that's what it takes. So I want to big up Sasha right now, she's part of my team right now. So big up to
yourself,
Sasha.
Big up yourself.
We're just looking forward to keep pushing and meeting other people
And
and
growing.
other places, because,
growing.
one thing with me, tomorrow if you come and say, listen, we are going to church, then I will go make a church song.
Yeah, of course.
Because that's me, innit? Like, I'm not going to be raw all day or whatever. Anything you call me for, I'm
Time and
ready.
place for everything.
And,
So,
and the next thing that I see what the dancehall artists are lacking in the UK is the business side, the business education of things, or the actual business part work. Because to have the lyrics, go to the studio, write your song and everything, that's good, but you have to have a good idea of how the business work. What to do to get your song here, what to do to
On
get
the
your song
various
playlisted
platforms.
on this station, what to do to get this done. Because first thing, if you go talk to some major record label or some major station, first thing they want to see your numbers
yep.
and what you've been doing
Yes.
and things like that. And what is your CV as an artist? Little short clips, little videos, your numbers, your streams, things like that. We need to work on that, and the education is out there, but it's not widely shared.
Yep.
One and few people know, but they tend to keep that education to themselves. And we already know this, where them say, like, me have a link, but me keep the link them to me and my friend.
Exactly.
And they don't want to
share.
They don't want to
This
see
is a
anybody
time
else grow.
where in our community, we cannot be selfish, because we realize that UK hip-hop scene come after the dancehall scene over here. It's a millions of dollar industry now. The trap scene worth millions of pound. Dancehall scene, I don't think it worth 20 grand good.
Yeah.
Because everything what we have, we tend to, me see most of the artists them, and me tell them, say, stop do this. Stop taking the money and putting a song on Graham Daily. Me say
Don't make no
it's
sense.
a promotion,
Yeah.
but
It's
Graham
not
Daily
building.
is
It's
not
not building.
targeting for
For
our
Our
genre.
culture and our dance.
Because you
Yeah.
pay your money for go on Graham Daily, you're gonna get the views, because people are naturally gonna fast.
Click.
But
Yes.
actual people who
Who
want to
support
listen to your
and
music,
naturally do it.
we don't have a platform like this, and because we don't have a structure, a body over here, we say, all right. And me I said somebody play them in the game like you and certain. Because I would say I could probably say this in terms of the female side of this. You're one of the leaders, because you have been one of the one who's been dominant for a longevity, who've been constant in the music. And
Yep.
And
if
relevant.
anybody disagree with me, when you can DM me, because I'm not afraid of the people. I want you smart
but
about me,
it's-
because
but-
me say a thing and me say a
Anyways,
thing.
moving right
But
along.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I just say go, me talk what me can see and who's out there to me and who me see over a period of time. And me say it.
Well, I'm gonna be honest. Me eat, sleep, breathe music, and I love what I do. And my aim in life is to get recognized, but also to improve and to grow as an individual and to make my kids proud of me and my partner, my family, because they actually love what I do as well, you know. And that's just sometimes as an artist, sometimes we even have more different style and everything in our way, but it's just that opportunity and the chance as well. And we need more producers to work with, because there's a lot of things in the music industry that we could go on and talk. We need more producers over here. Big up to Dark Charms, big up to Irony Beats. Some producer go tell you, say, Danger, me rather you sing. But how much I know when know me from how long, would I give me a sing rhythm them if you know. Say me sing. Y'all are a bunch of hypocrites. Y'all taking the young artists them and advise them. 3/4 of them is not even a sing about no mix them and auto-tune them so them sound good. I when you hear real authentic artists, when I come see me about Danger Wagon, somehow me no want to chat to me and heal me. Because me know no fan for years. Somehow we come from the same place. And then when I come tell me when rather me sing and you can't have so much rhythm and you can't send me a rhythm and make me do something with it. Y'all a bunch of hypocrites. Big up to the producer them. Reach out to me want to work with me, because them not see me and know when me come from who me there with, them see me and know say yo that girl a bad.
Simple.
That me a talk about. You need to cut out this friend thing. The selector them do it too. The promoter them do it too. The promoter them do it too. Enough promoter tell me say them half boss me after lockdown, and other artists me see them a book alone and not Lady Danger.
All right,
so
now we're speaking about you singing. I'm gonna play this song. I got this song queued up where you're actually singing. So one people here, remember it's two sides to Danger, maybe they have a Danger side.
Wait, I'm a ooh, Jesus, watch me in your heart. DNS Records.
DNS Records. I got what you need, come for the na. You got what I need, give me banana na. Bounce on the body, bounce like bar. My pussy tight and little and your body well hard. Hey, love it when you play with my body, me a spin like red hard. So me just a bounce on the body, bounce on the body, bounce on the body like bar. You make me sing a high note, you get to me for take it out and me pussy then you push it on me throat. Me love your cocky just like how me love a bank note. How your cocky stiff, boy you have up a high vote. Fuck me hard, make me ball and all of you a pull out me ear, me a pop off the color exploding on me pussy like say you is a bop. Are you alone, me want me will be a guard of honor.
Listen.
Hey.
Me say it's two sides.
In here, I don't know.
So Danger, that's the truth.
Sweat a run from my body.
Look at the tune upon that.
You make me sing a high note, you get for my vote, take it out, and me goodie, then you push it down my throat.
All right.
See
I
there,
love it.
So
natural talent.
No, maybe look for pitch
auto-tune around
correction.
here.
I don't even, you know what, me sound bad per art. I don't like art. So when nobody give me art,
We want the natural thing.
Me just say what, me don't know why, you know what turns me on, and I talk this all the time. What
Frenchie.
turns me on? No, Frenchie knows him turn me on by looking at him and calling him name. But from music level, honestly, when an artist just
Natural. Natural. And it's just,
it's just
the
like
authentic-
music. How we look, listen, we all know the technology change time and things.
Definitely.
But at the same time, over the lockdown, my kids are young kids.
Right.
And when we watch some of these shows, my kids tell me to turn the phone off.
Yeah.
Because my kids know music, innit?
Right.
Like, honestly. And when they see an artist singing over their song, nothing is wrong with that, But when you sing over it and you're a missing,
Yeah.
like the song I play, still a drop.
Yeah.
That's a joke.
Yeah.
Why would I waste time listening to that?
Yeah.
And the song's already playing and helping you. So,
So we're continuing along the lines of music. So we have Bones
yeah.
and we have a couple other songs.
We never know when we sing it,
well,
but
yeah.
anything goes.
No man, we want to talk about buzzing because
Aye.
I think that's my song.
Thank you very
I
much.
think buzzing is my
Buzzing is
my
the song.
lady. Yeah, because you see such a put the camera on that.
Listen.
Well, see she favor Bumblebee.
Yeah, I came here to
right in your heart. So buzzing,
let me see some bees on the screen, like.
Yes, put some bees in the comment section first, now, please, because Lady Danger is
my
buzzing.
friend beat them bad
You
enough.
understand?
Twinning.
Come
Yes.
in for sting me up with them
Yes.
bee cells. But I heard that there is a song that you've done or you're working on for Magnum Fridays.
Yes.
Talk to me about that one then, please.
you know, Redback is somebody me give me respect because you know what I like about individuals. May you not have to be friend, but when I see someone consistently reach out to me on any little thing that they have, it's because they respect my music. So, you know, when the Redback sent me more than one reading, but this one I took the time out because my schedule is quite busy at the moment. But when him said to me, "Oh, am I gonna do the brunch and whatever," and you know, him have a rhythm coming out and just involve a little thing about Magnum Friday, I had to like stop what I'm doing and give him like that respect because, as I said, he's reached out to me more than once. I mean, I really do not because like my work schedule is mad. Like obviously you get rhythms from here and there, and if you're working on certain things where you agreed with producers, like me have time limits and time frame of how I do things. So, you know, I'm waiting on Breadback now for master and mix the tune and let's see what's popping there and see how it go.
So out of the so you've done a number of songs lately.
Yeah.
What's your favorite out of the lot?
Oh God.
Like
what? It's hard.
All right, two. Maggie, two.
Give me two. All right.
Two.
Right now, I would say like Buzzing is definitely the song. Like if me play that in the car, I have to play. Remember, you know, I have the this, I have the other version.
The regular version.
Because when they kill the people and people afraid to play it. So, you know, me have to have that. Me go back and I just speed it up.
Yeah.
And go so.
Yeah.
So Buzzing is a song like when you hear just all big up to Dark Charles, you have to play that song. Bounce on the other hand, like me can't get rid of Bounce because my husband play Bounce guy work come all the way right back. You don't understand that. He's like that smoothness, like you don't understand. Hey, you know what I mean? If I want,
ladies and gentlemen, if we could get one camera on Frenchy face right now, a theme song that you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Let me just ask this quick because I realize there is a lot of UK producers coming up out of the dirt now.
Yes.
yeah.
So in terms of material that you done for them, how do them help you to promote the song or push the song?
Songs.
Do they push it or them just vice it, master it and say I hit that?
You know, one of the producers, as I said, I've worked with is Dark Charms. And when Dark Charms heard the song first, I was like, Lord God, him I said me gonna kill people on the song. The first thing he said, we're gonna put this out. This is the percentages. You know, Dark Charms up and coming as well. So
And he's been putting in
and
the
he's
work.
been, yes, he's putting in the work. Him share it, him send it to other. Even up to like, you know, the week gone, me see him promote it. I was like, that's good because sometimes people just promote it one time and that's it. So like in regards to people who want to work with me now, I charge to go on a rhythm because sometimes they're not really promoting the song then.
Yes.
It's not gonna wear. If remember, to be honest, 3/4 sometimes who link me up, they're also up and coming.
Yeah.
So it's like strength for strength.
Yes.
So it's not like if not nice link me now. Me know it's alright, me I go get a different exposure. Go on ya so. You understand? Like for example, if I don't call me back and say fly down, me I go down because me know so there and then there's a window for me, you know, for show them what I'm made of and hopefully them will like it.
Yes.
So, you know, the producers, them Irony Beats, we've just done the Tom Box and kicking at your face.
Remix.
And I've also done, I have another song that I've, you know, they've produced. It's not mixed and mastered it or anything.
We're patient. No, listen.
Yeah.
We're going to patiently wait
What about like
for anything that you're
other
going
producers
to,
outside of UK in terms
Well,
of
most of
European producer because
So-
I realize that European productions most of the time it's on a different level to UK production because in terms of the marketing side of it, it's like on a bigger stage.
Yeah.
Do you ever reach out to none of those producers?
Definitely. I'm waiting on a few responses. As I said right now, you know, I don't know for some reason when people type in them say them can't find me. You know, so the girl them at my page.
Yeah.
So all of them link there was just mad gone.
Right.
But at the moment we're trying to get back, like reach out to different people. I work with people in America as well. You know, big up to DNS as well. When she linked me, she tell me if you choose the rhythm, and I was the one who chose that rhythm.
Cool, no, man.
You know,
Cool, no, man.
and you know, it's good when you see people are try, but it's just to hopefully keep up the consistency and try and do other things because I just feel like all of us that are trying, some of us, the majority, we're quite limited
Definitely.
to just one place, and
Definitely.
hopefully, you know, with the team that I'm trying to build,
Right.
we can progress from that because I've traveled to a lot of countries, and as you say, when it comes to the Europe side, it's
Yes.
a whole different level.
Whole different
From the studio to the venue to the payment,
It's
just to the
different
whole how them
completely.
treat you as well.
Definitely.
Whether you're not a star or them treat you like
Yes.
one. So their production team, even in Africa, wherever, the production
Quite
team is
different.
about putting out a song, promoting it,
And
and supporting
I
it.
say it earlier on in the show, so like it's just this year seeing since certain party
Yeah.
star look presentable.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I got hold of a party and wear my nice clothes and kill me dead. Them boys say, Tiffany, you there? I know, right? French, you never put on nice clothes and
All
go
the
a party
time.
and them see background and them say, oh, where they? They're Jamaica.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lady Danger is here with us. This is a section of the show that...
Hold on. Before we go in this section, may I put up on a spot 3 new up-and-coming female artists who you say is doing it for you now.
For you, yeah. In the UK?
Up and coming in the UK?
Yeah. Who's just break out since lockdown?
Who break out?
Since lockdown.
Well, me like Jodie and Natty.
Big up
Me just
Jodie
go
and
by
Natty.
who me like.
Yeah.
Miss Bandia do her thing.
Yes.
And big up to Vilicious.
All right. So
Right,
3.
right there, so. Ladies and gentlemen, it is quarter.
There's others, but me just
But, I mean, those are
yeah.
your
Alright.
3. Those are your 3. It's
Are you
quarter.
a 3? Nobody can kill your feet.
No,
It's
sir.
quarter to 11. It reached 14 minutes to 11. And you don't know, so everybody who forwards here, Africom Show versus
So Rasta, wait,
And
you want to sing first?
no, listen, this is her time to shine. We
Oh,
don't know,
Lord
say
God.
Lady Danger
Let me take a
is
sip.
dangerous. She bad and she dangerous. And she know, do your thing. When I pay feet, it's called a freestyle. the stage is yours, my love. Go
So may I
ahead.
ask you want to sing first or you want to DJ?
Anything
Or
she
you
want
want
to
to
do.
sing J? Make sure sing J first.
Do your thing. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, Lady Danger.
Oh, God. My mic work?
Ian.
Yeah. Mad over me good. Mad over me good, yeah. Hey, alright, yo. Ready fi turn up the heat. Another notch me have a tight little pussy boy for your fat cock. Bust it up in my belly like glap, bap, bap. Are you addicted to my body like cheese, rat chop? Yo, cocky up in my belly, well legit. Your body clean up, me can be rude? Yeah, the way you bad me say you have limits. I ain't a die hard, bros release. Yo, the definition of hard, you cocky me off guard. Me never disregard, me love the way you perform, the way you turn me on. This offer you can't cool card, a long piece of cocky that deserve a reward. Big things are where me love. Pum pum, grab up your hood like gloves. Make me wanna fly like dove. Yeah, hey. Alright, me a bounce pan the body bounce like ball. Hey. Me pussy tight and little and the body well hard. Hey, come me just a bounce pan the body bounce like ball. Hey, me just a bounce pan it, bounce pan it. Alright, hey boy, you make me sing a high note. You get for my vote, take it out of my pussy, then you push it down my throat. Love your cocky just like come, I love a banknote. And your cocky stiff, boy, you have up a high vault. Fuck me hard, make me baller. Alla you a pull out, me ear me a pop off. Your color exploding on me pussy like say you is a mama. And you me want me with the guard of honor. Rat-tat-tat-tat, the gun them make them pop. If a girl violate, she a go get a couple slap. No worry about no magazine, girl look how me at me have a fat piece of pussy unit skill for wear that. Me badder than the rest of them, madder than the rest of them. Hey! Now me a the champion
Yeah.
from morning. Yo give me the trophy. That me demanding no chorus to me thing. Make that motherfucker play. Me a the maddest and the illest out of UK. And anytime them ready for the war with them, I say come me we kick off your blood clot face. Cause you we get gunshot. Make me bust it in a face. Me no take chat. Me ever have it in a waist. Santa Masami. Get gunshot, make me bust it in a face. Me links them tighter than a big pussy. Bird a young woman turn up at the funeral. Me a real boss, yeah me a the general. Then me go wash off in a the bad fountain mineral. Me gun them no stick up, bust to one get pick up. Make y'all face they kick up, make you run and start pick up. Run go in a church and a ball to the bishop. Nobody now go save a alley gun I get big up. Gunshot, make me bust it in a face, make you drop flat. No face to the teeth, me no take chat. Me ever have it in a waist. St. Thomas and me bumbo flat place. Aye, wanna ready now? Mad. Watch me a close. Jesus. Huh. Murder. It's the buzzing queen. Yo. Don't stick son of blood, girl can't fuck round me. Me not too friendly, so no liquor dirty girl can't ground for me. Alright, I'm bad. My lyrics and my flow just a beat them bad. Gunshot make you run up in a zigzag. Turn up a your yard in a style Louis bag. If you try this, you will get a toe tag. Me not take chat, make you lose your head back. Cool like Alaska, eye blacker than jet black. Me will play a dolly house, me better than a wolf pack. Me will make your lights out, yo pitch black. Running a me glock your face, we get shut off. If a badness, you know the whole place I get locked off. When me approach, girl, make you run left or tap off. It drop off your blood clot face, we get knocked off. If a badness, them pussy and ready for this. No safety for me gun, yeah, me ready for clip. Y'all run up and down like she dep on your strip. If her badness, you know me a the leadership.
Listen, when
Yeah.
bad artists are perform, you don't interrupt them, you know.
Yeah.
Something on
And then me
there.
can't go to something now. Drink me a drink and no floss me a floss. Yo, dragon me say fi pour the drink fast. Liquor in a cup, me say ice in a glass. Everybody knows say me a the swag boss. Clean from me head, from me toe, yeah me Chris. I'm not Cardi B, but I am a bad bitch. Me no sponge pan a boy, so no tell me you rich, you talk too fucking much of. Yo, you don't like me don't like you. I know my fault, the man no want you. Him say me pum pum fat up in a shots full of glue. Take a page out of me book. Yalla who you calling, you calling. You no stop calling your man up in a me bed from night to morning. Go on man, don't stop man. I saw my flex man. Huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Check
Lady
it.
Danger.
I don't need no introduction, I'm so tenacious. Flow so immaculate, check my status. True quarantine, this bitch say they famous, but are they talking out them out attacking out the anus? Give me the mic, make me cause a eruption. If me have to choose music, I'm my first option. I got bars, melodies, I got flow, so me hug up on the mic like I'm a pussy full of suction. Bad girl, I'm a lover, bit of danger, which baby in a manger, call me the restrainer. Forget me music heard, yeah, me and me campaign. I want to be like rich girl, yo. Me was a down ears, COVID and cancer. This a no showbiz, but I me them a sponsor. Ready to drop it heavy pan them like a anchor. And if me roll out like a tanker, so underrated. But fuck you, I'm still undefeated. If it's war, then I'm ready. Who first in the beating? I'm fully bad, me call your name for no reason. Yeah, alright, hard working, consistent, fuck bad mind, fuck bitches. I make my money up a limited edition. I'm enough for cook, yeah, my body in the kitchen. You gonna give me that after that one?
Last 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Last 30 seconds. Just shell it down nice and easy.
Right after this?
Shell it down
And then we can do it again.
nice and easy. Right there.
Yeah. Alright, yo. Style a style, but no girl know how style me. Move take the tick off of your Nike. One more time. Check. Alright, yo. Style a style, but no girl can't style me. Move take the tick off of your Nike. Hey, your crown, it no matter if you're icy. Looking at your blood clot face, do it politely. Leverage my thing so you know me turn up. Me will make your head earth up, make you burn up. Like the fire where you blaze, make your ear curl up. Do it my bad. Ready for turn up the heat another notch. Right now, me think buzzing. London to New York, buzzing. The whole world just attack to me, buzzing. Alright, up on live show, I'm a buzzing. Yo, but like a speed a bit, you feel like it's hotter than me, they can't find, check a thermometer. Yeah, me is a masterpiece, bad than a Vietnam. Jacket and Japanese, me I go this therapy. Cloud chasing me, I collect yours and cut. Nowadays collateral, so me left it, bro.
Here me a son of man. Wanna go buy the song them. Go buy the song them. Go and buy the song them.
What are done yet? Give me a little more now. Exercise.
People them not get nothing for free. Them go buy the song.
What I need for go
Trouble.
stream the song them right now.
Tell them
Honestly,
where
there's so
stream
many
the song
songs. Like
Tell
go
them.
on Spotify, stream the
Yes.
song them. Go on iTunes.
Yes.
You have Amazon. You have all of the platforms them right now. The songs are there. Go on my YouTube. You see a lot of performances. You see the song them. You can download them even for free. Play them in on the car.
see?
Snap and take a picture at girl and wind up on the body and bounce and go out with all
She
the
go
things
free.
them.
Not even
Yeah.
59p, you know. Not even
Yeah, I mean on iTunes, you know, it's 79p for the songs them.
It's fine.
But everybody
remember,
know.
it's cheaper than a bus ride. So
Cheaper
go
than
buy-
a
yeah,
bu-
go buy
cheaper than
some,
a cheaper than a chocolate bar.
Yeah.
You know, stay from the sweets. and
Exactly.
Go listen to some music. Deja, big up yourself, mama.
I want to thank everybody that's showing so much mad love
Yes.
on the live and everything. Thank you guys for always supporting me. You know what as well? Me have to say, the people them also I'm a motivator as well because a lot of time you feel like, and
Yeah.
you get me?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
who they around you? You have the
Yeah,
right
big up the
people.
realest people them around me right
Definitely,
now. Where I have my back.
definitely.
Sometimes when I'm frustrated at them get the more sight because they're the closest ones to me.
But they keep you
But
grounded.
them know say, listen, ground
Definitely.
yourself.
Definitely. Tell us where we can find you on social media, please.
Guys, check me out on the Instagram, Lady Danger Music. Right? Check out the Instagram. Build back the page up and you know, share the things them. Big up to everybody that share the freestyle again. What is so
Yes.
not nice can
Not
get
nice,
it and share it.
right.
Enough love.
Yes.
You know, check out the Facebook. Facebook is Latasha Grant, but on all other media, it's Lady Danger. And people, remember, some me have to change it, now, because when we go to other countries, them call me Danga. So it's Danger, like the red light when I see it, warning. Yeah. So, you know, when I go to like African those places,
it's
that's what
how
they
they
call me, Lady
speak.
Danga.
Yeah.
Lady
So,
Danga.
you know,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
a little bit like,
Yeah,
you know,
we get you.
correction. Even like when a lot of the other races are playing the song right now,
Yeah.
they're like,
Lady
Danga.
Danga.
And it's
It's
like,
fine.
you know, when you know a
It's
danger.
okay.
So, you know, big up everybody that's sharing, that's supporting. Everybody make a big difference. Big up to French. Big up to Upnlive. Yo, Dragon.
big up yourself,
Dragon, I
baby.
drink Guinness, you know. Watch it, you know. Dragon in him. Where the Dragon there?
Why?
Drink
Why
here.
them I go sponsor, you know?
No.
Them turn down a thing like when I
Oh,
you know
them
like-
fit.
No,
you know
I
like
know
when
Oh, them fit.
I know
turn it
that.
down.
when I got embassy, you have like a silver in your pocket.
I know
One
that.
of them last, them turn it down.
Danger lie, matter.
So you go.
You know what? You see if I would in here, but up a place and
Yeah.
drink them off quick.
Quick.
And I only
Can
Guinness
not the
left
fire
now.
come?
Yeah, Guinness alone left. Anyways.
I don't want to say big up to Miss Little Brown Ross. Listen, she's dramatic. Your service, as I should say, from enter outside, has been very, you know. So big up to the team. The team should know that.
Definitely.
Thank you very much. And you know, it's a blessing to be here, and I enjoy myself.
We enjoyed
Whoa.
having you here. And everybody trust me, you get some new followers now.
Yeah, I better.
You
I
get
can
some
see
new-
the love.
you
I can see the
understand?
love. It's mad.
Ladies
It's
and
mad.
gentlemen, put some fire and some bees emojis on the screen, please, because Lady Deja coming here, come do that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for being here.
Ah,
And I
Thank
want
you.
to do remember everyone, if
Yes.
you missed the most of the interview, it's gonna be out this Friday on
weekend.
YouTube. So
Yes.
you can go over YouTube and watch the full interview over again and share it to your family and your
Yes.
friend. And remember, support the artists them.
Definitely.
All right?